Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really happy and excited to have you all here. The main reason I started this channel is to share my journey, knowledge and guidance, especially for engineering graduates, students and anyone who is looking for the right direction in their career. At some point in life, many of us feel confused, stressed or lack proper guidance. I have also gone through that phase, and that is what motivated me to create this platform to help others move forward with clarity and confidence. Through this channel, I'll be sharing my ideas and strategies how to prepare for competitive exams. Whether you are an engineering student, a graduate, or even a housewife who wants to restart your career, this channel is for you. I will guide you step by step for exams like GATE, PSU Jobs, and other central and state government exams. I'll also share practical methods, time management techniques, and simple strategies that are easy to follow in your daily life. Along with that, I also want to support school students, especially CBSE and state board students who have recently completed their exams. After finishing board exams, many students feel confused about what to choose next. Based on my experience, I'll help you understand how to plan your journey towards top institutions like IITs, NITs, and other reputed universities. I'll share clear guidance on choosing the right path, building strong fundamentals, and preparing step by step to achieve your goals. My aim is simple: to create a space where we can learn, grow, and succeed together, no matter where you are starting from. If you have the determination to improve your life, this channel will support you in your journey. It's never too late to start, and the right guidance at the right time can truly change your future. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. This is the just beginning something meaningful. If you are someone with big dreams and ready to work for it, this channel is for you.